Hi guys, I'm Dave the Chemist, Technical Director here at OdoBan, and I've got a great demo for you using our 3-in-1 Carpet Cleaner Concentrate. Now this is a very unique product. The chemistry is so unique, we've got count them, four patents on this stuff. Now I've got a couple standard pieces of carpet here, and I'm going to start with a little bit of red drink. Now this is the stuff your kids drink around the pool every summer, and you know they spill it on the carpet, makes a horrible mess. Now you'll notice this stuff beads up, and that's because carpet these days, no matter how cheap, has an anti-soiling coating on the fibers from the factory. This stuff actually repels soil. The problem is some carpet cleaners on the market overcome that and can turn a spot into a stain. I'm going to start with ours. Now this is our 3-in-1 carpet cleaner diluted to a use dilution. You'll notice it actually starts to combine with the soil but still repel itself from the fabric. That means that our carpet cleaner is actually vacuuming up the dirt while not soaking into the fibers. The competitor, on the other hand, you'll see very quickly starts to turn that spot into a stain. It's going to drive that soil deep into the carpet. It's actually, while you watch, going to dye the fibers. Now, once it goes into the carpet like that, it's going to be a real problem to get out. You'll notice ours still sitting on top of the carpet. The other thing that gives you, when you start to clean this up, I'm going to get out my handy dandy carpet extractor here. When you start to extract this from the carpet, it means you're removing more of the water from the carpet in one pass with the soil. It means your carpet dries faster and gets your people back in their spaces sooner, and we all know time's money. Look at that. Like it never even happened. It's almost dry already. Now the competitor's product, on the other hand, well, that's not going to work so well. Even with a lot of pressure, you're going to get some of the liquid out, but you can see it stained the fibers. Now, worse than those surface stains is that this has driven the soil all the way down to the backing of the carpet. And anyone that's worked with carpet will tell you, once those soils and smells and dirt go all the way to the backing, it's really hard to get them out. It takes a lot of time, a lot of chemical, and a lot of processing. And you can see, just like that, it's driven it all the way through to the bottom. Ours, on the other hand, good to go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Take a look at our other demo videos while you're here in our trade booth, and make life fresh.